Hello class again, and welcome back again to our third method, which is the Dickie-Jones. We can see from over here Dickie-Jones, the GAC 2100. So this is the instrument, the electrical capacitant. So we have Preston over here, and he did ABEN 110 2 years ago. So he's helping out, and you guys will be able to see him during the labs. And I think some of you guys must have seen him in some of the other labs because he's a TA in the lab. So Preston, you can show them. So normally one of the most important things is we look at our lab guide. If you look at our lab guide, so what we are currently doing is the third method. You will see that here, page 2. So just follow that, and that's what Preston will try to follow. So Preston, what's the first method saying? Ensure that.
Yep. So the first step, you just want to make sure that your hopper or your grain catcher is in place.
Okay.
That's this drawer right here.
Yeah.
And it just slides in on there on a rail.
Yeah.
And that catches any grain that will fall off the bottom. So then the next step after that is you want to take your grain sample. You're going to fill this right here, which is the hopper of the analysis machine. And you're going to want to fill it basically as far as it can go, just to make sure that it completely fills the analyzer. And then just kind of read your instructions here. You press your load button to begin, and that's this top button right here that points the arrow down onto this little catcher. So you're going to press that, and on the inside here you can see that it fills this little catcher right here, and it has to be full to the very top, otherwise it will not be accurate. And then it's just going to measure the moisture content for us. 16.1, and then when you're done, you write that down, and then you can press this unload button, which has the hopper pointed down. And it'll dump that in there, and then you can pull out the grain catcher and put it back.
So one of the most important things is it's good to always do replicate. So could you just do another replicate?
Yeah,
but maybe it's another sample, So he's doing the same thing quickly again, and he's loading. You see it loading inside. Then he has like a sweeper, something to sweep, so that he has kind of a constant, volume while it's measuring. Then you see it's measuring. So you say please wait. Then so you see the first was 16.1, 16.2. So it's pretty much yeah. So but before we do the actual lab, maybe the grain will be a little bit drier. So and with that, you are pretty much done with this. So this is pretty much common in most grain elevator. So if you guys take maybe you have an opportunity to work there or even do internship, you will see this piece of equipment. So thank you, and see you in the next video then.